Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be talking about manifesting one thing at a time to create that powerful punch so we can be as condensed and as powerful and passionate as possible in one desire, in one regard, to manifest it in the most fast, most concentrated amount of time to move on to the next and the next and the next, as opposed to manifesting multiple things at once and having some manifestations work out, some not, having your manifestations be spotty. And why I think you should at least try manifest one thing at a time for a little bit of a period in your law of assumption career, because hell, we are experimenting as we go. This is what I'm doing myself at the moment, and I really do believe that it's very powerful and it packs more of a punch than spreading yourself out too thin. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You're also more than welcome to enroll in my Perfect Self-Concept course. Here I tell you step by step how to manifest anything that you desire instantly through understanding and knowing the power that you have within yourself, and how to keep that power for the rest of your life, how this has to do with the law of assumption and manifesting instantly, and how to utilize that self-concept to manifest instantly. So all of the information will be in the description box down below. You can go on ritakaminski.com as well to access that course. You can also have a look at all of the other courses that I offer at ritakaminski.com, one-on-one coaching and collective coaching as well. I intend for this video to absolutely change your life for the best, and with that, let's get into it. So I understand that when we are manifesting, we're manifesting consciously or unconsciously at every single aspect and moment of our lives. And we have been doing that ever since we were born. However, we are now trying to consciously manifest, which is a little bit different to how we did things before. While I do believe you can manifest multiple things at once, I have myself, I think that it is very beneficial for some people to be very condensed and specific and honed in and tunnel visioned on one thing. Concentrate on that as much as possible throughout the day and in the evening. Emit as many emotions as you possibly can. Feel the feeling of having it be already done. Use repetition, be consistent, be persistent, all for just one manifestation and one manifestation alone. That will pack a punch because you will only be focusing your energy on one manifestation. You don't want to be spreading yourself out too thin by manifesting 10 different things, because in my personal experience, and I can only ever really talk about my own personal experience, I have spread myself out too thin and I got so distracted by all of these different things that my manifestations were spotty. I got 50% of one manifestation, I got 25% of the other manifestation. I didn't get another manifestation at all because I barely focused on it because I didn't even have time or energy. But when we hone in on the manifestation that is the most important to us at this moment in time, we will actually be able to manifest everything a lot faster, paradoxically, because when you funnel all of your energy and attention and passion into one manifestation, you will actually be able to manifest it within a day or 2 days or 3 days. I'm not saying you can't manifest multiple things in 1 day or 2 days or 3 days, but let's be fucking for real right now. Have you ever done that? Let's go back to basics right now and just focus on one thing. I fear we have gotten a bit too big for our boots. We're looking at all of these desires and we're distracting ourselves, and none of it really gets done. Whereas if you have the discipline to just manifest one thing only, you'll be able to move on to the next thing and then manifest that for a couple of days, and then the next thing, and then the next thing, and then the next thing. And before you know it, within a month, all of your desires will manifest. Let's make it easy for ourselves. Let's make it simple. Let's not complicate it. You love yourself, right? You want to make sure that everything is as simple and as easy as possible, right? So why not focus on one thing? And if you really believed in yourself and the law of assumption, that won't be a problem to you, because you will know that right now, okay, I may be manifesting an SP, but because I understand and know fully myself and my power, I can funnel all of that into manifesting my SP, but I know that I will manifest them, so I can easily move on to manifesting money in like 3 days because I've manifested my SP. Let's at least try this. Just focus on one thing. I can promise you it will manifest in 3 days, because you have funneled all of your robotic affirmations, all of the other techniques, and you are just simply honing in on that one thing and then simply moving on. For example, with my manifestation, I'm manifesting 1 million subscribers. I have been manifesting a bunch of other things in the past on top of that, but now I was sitting in my backyard just then, and I was like, it's time to stop fucking playing games and doing this willy-nilly in a spotty kind of way, giving my attention to all of these other things. At the end of the day, 1 million subscribers is my priority. So let's just make that happen first, and we can worry about everything else after. It's not just that, it is being intentional and doing what you said that you're going to do. Being a woman and a man of your word, and staying consistent, disciplined, and persistent with what it is that you say that you're going to do. For example, I'm telling myself every single night I'm going to be doing SAS. I'm going to be visualizing Rita Kaminski 1 million subscribers, just like I did 400,000 subscribers. The difference between the two is I fully and consistently just focused on the 100,000 subscribers, and I did not let up. I did not change it. I did not stop. I was fully concentrated in that when I was doing sats. I wasn't thinking about other things while I was falling asleep, right? Whereas now I'm a little bit more distracted, or I'm saying I can't really be bothered. I had nothing else to lose. I was so desperate, let's say. That's why desperation can actually help. Where I just went so hard and I was so disciplined in what I was doing, and I did not stop until it happened. And that was my most successful manifestation, you guys. Like, it was one day until it started happening, and the full manifestation did come to fruition in 6 weeks. However, I already started seeing more views, more comments, so the manifestation already started to happen overnight. And it was because I gave everything that I had to give, all of my energy, all of my attention, all of me feeling as though it's here now, and getting into that feeling and trying to see it as vividly as possible in my mind, along with just staying in the state consistently throughout the day by affirming and getting into that feeling that I have it now, by doing a 10-minute method where I'm literally just in my mind, super focused, visualizing the 1 million subscribers, knowing that I have it now, is when it actually happened for me instantly. Now, when I say I'm going to do sats every single night, I'm going to do it no matter what. I'm going to stay disciplined no matter what. When I say 3 times per day for 10 minutes, I'm going to get into the feeling as though I have 1 million subscribers to the point of ecstasy, I'm going to do that. I'm going to listen to subliminals, only for having a lot of subscribers, or viral videos, everything to do with that. And I'm going to do that. When I say I'm going to robotically affirm, not I make this amount a day and I have 1 million subscribers and all my videos go viral. I'm simply just affirming I have 1 million subscribers on YouTube, mindlessly. And then I'm following my inspired action and relaxing and non-reacting and following my happiness on a moment-to-moment basis and all of that good stuff too, right? But do you see the difference, how it's concentrated on one thing and one thing only? So I'm very excited to continue to do this. And I only just started, I guess, like an hour ago. So I'm excited to update you guys on how I'm going, and I feel like you're keeping me accountable too, which I love. So let me know in the comments down below if you're also taking me up on that challenge and doing it with me and we can keep each other accountable in the comment section down below. You don't really have anything to lose, especially if you're just beginning or you've never tried doing this before. Especially when I was beginning, I would try everything to see what worked for me the best. Don't forget to check out ritakaminski.com/courses and enroll in the course that really speaks to you. I highly recommend self-concept course because it will get you to your desires instantly. And with that, I trust this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone!